Welcome to Snowflake Cortex Masterclass Hands-On, a high-quality mega course with over 20 hours of video presentations and hands-on experiments, teaching you everything you need to know about this new revolutionary data science and machine learning platform from Snowflake. My name is Christian Scutaru, and I'm truly a world-class expert in Snowflake, former Snowflake data superhero and SnowPro subject matter expert with dozens of technical certifications in Snowflake, cloud architectures, databases, analytics, data science, and machine learning. So you are in good hands. No other course, book, or documentation around will offer as much insights and knowledge transfer about this new amazing Snowflake Cortex platform. I'll go in depth into the new ML power classes and LLM functions. I'll show you how to instantly train forecasting models and perform anomaly detection on time series, classifications of feature importance with a contribution explorer, how to call every individual LLM function and which hosted model to use in the complete function. I'll gradually remind you how to perform basic machine learning in datasets using mostly regression and classification, then switch to Snowpark and show you how to push Python code as Snowflake store procedures and user-defined functions. In fact, I'll teach you everything you need to know about Snowpark, including the famous data frame API. By the time we reach Snowflake ML, which is now part of Cortex, you'll better understand how everything evolved. My main objectives are to teach you everything there is about the new and evolving Snowflake Cortex and the related technologies, to teach you how to do efficient and distributed data science and machine learning experiments in Snowflake, to help you better understand how Snowflake gradually brought and continue to bring advanced features for data science and machine learning. I designed this course for any data engineer or data scientist who wants to learn fast everything they can about Snowflake Cortex and the related machine learning technologies. For technical or non-technical managers looking for an in-depth exposure to Cortex and machine learning in Snowflake. Some basic knowledge of in Snowflake, Python, and SQL will be required. You also need some basic knowledge and understanding of data science and machine learning in general, as I will go rather quickly over these basic concepts. The main goal of this course is to teach you what's different in Snowflake in this regard. The course will be yours for life. It comes with a 1 month money back guarantee, and I will personally answer your questions in 1 day max. Enroll today to explore further. You'll not regret it.